Welcome everybody. Today's topic is the introduction to the nanofluid. So, what is nanofluid? Nanofluids are the suspensions of nanometer sized solid particles or fibers involving a base fluid. The particles which is used are basically nanoparticles whose size should below 100 nanometer. So, nanofluid is equal to nanoparticles plus base fluid. This picture depicts a nanofluid in which Al2O3 is used as nanoparticles and water is used as base fluid. Examples of nanofluid. Nature is full of nanofluids like blood, a complex biological nanofluids where different nanoparticles accomplish different functions. The chart depicts some suspended particles and some base fluid. With the amalgamation of both, we can construct a nanofluid. In number 1, if we mixed aluminum nanoparticle with water, we can construct a nanofluid in which water is treated as a base fluid and aluminum, the suspended particle, is treated as nanoparticles. And the same things occurs for the rest numbers. What is molecular dynamics? Molecular dynamics, or MD, is a computer simulation method for analyzing the physical movements of atoms and molecules. So, why we use molecular dynamics? A molecular system consists of vast number of particles, so it is impossible to determine the properties of these particles analytically. So, MD simulations circumvents this problem by using numerical methods. MD simulation in nanofluids. Molecular dynamics simulations are used to simulate flow behaviors of nanofluids confined in nanochannel under different shear velocities, and the rotation, translation of nanoparticles and nonlinear velocity profiles of nanofluids are observed with the help of molecular dynamics simulations. There are several applications of nanofluids. Some are heat transfer applications, industrial cooling applications. Nanofluids are used as smart fluid and it is also used in nuclear reactors. It also has automotive applications like used as a nanofluid coolant, and it is also used as a fuel. Moreover, it also has a huge biomedical applications like nano drug delivery, cancer therapeutist, cryopreservation, nano cryosurgery, sensing and imaging. Thank you.